So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download attendant list on Zoom. So for that you need to open any web browser on your computer and then search for zoom.us. Now guys, after getting on their website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account right in the top right section, and then you guys can be able to see this option right here which is known as my account, and now just select this option right here. So now guys, after getting on the profile page, scroll down and you can see this account management option right here. Now just select it and then select this reports option right here. After that you guys will get on this page right here, and if you guys have a basic plan just like me, then you cannot use this user activity reports to download your attendant list. So what you have to do is upgrade to Pro plan account. You guys now have successfully upgraded your account to your Pro account, and after that if you come back if you guys come back on this user activity option right here, you guys can be able to download your attendant list right around here, and that's how you guys do it. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thanks for watching.